Hi, hello, namaste. Today I am going to discuss about the topic how to score out of marks in NEET biology part. So how to score 360 out of 360. Are you getting interest? So how to get it? So what I am going to share with you. I hope all the students are very good at the biology part. Yes, am I right? I think so. I think so. Most of the students, what they will do, as in before video I have shared, they will get distracted. No self interest. Simply they will study, study, study. Don't feel it is very very hard. Getting out of mark is very very easy aspect. For that you have to work out. So with work only we can get it. So what are the tips to get 360 out of 360? The first thing is always you have to maintain the concept in short. Fingertips, the point you have to put in the fingertips. For example, so many examples are there. Botany, so many examples are there. Example. So you are unable to remember. So many scientific names are there. You are unable to remember. What you have to do? Early morning you have to refresh yourself, and every day you have to study 5 to 10 scientific names, okay, and examples frequently. Daily basis if you have revised in that way, so you can definitely remember. Okay, and coming to the exam view, so the NCERT, if thorough line by line, if you have got thoroughly, if you have studied, mostly you can mark all the answers. Okay, only 10 questions you can have the struggle. So where you will struggle means you have to give the main you have to give the work to your brain. So already you know, but the answer won't come. So you have to recall the content while doing this exam, while preparing also. Remember, some of the questions, like the first one is easy questions, line definition question will be asked. So first you have to do all the definitions thorough, the first thing. Okay, the second one is true or false question, like correct incorrect statements. Correct incorrect statements, here only the people will face problem. Student mostly face problem the correct incorrect only. They will lose mostly the mark in correct incorrect. Okay, so how to have a grip in correct incorrect statements? The first, if you study the content properly means like it is like knowledge based, so and so. Okay, so example, cell division you take. So what are the phases? In each phase what is happening, if you remember correct incorrect. Okay, correct incorrect you can give the answer properly, so that you have to prepare the content thoroughly here. Okay, and find out the true statements. For the true statement also you have to work out. Content base you have to work out, very very important. The same way false based question, find out the false. Okay, correct incorrect true false, these three questions will be similar means there you find out the correct statements. So 4 options will be there. So the 4 options you have to read and you have to give the correct thing. So for that the content is very very important. The next one is matchings. So matchings, mostly you get the example pattern. Example, microorganisms, okay, and scientific names, definitions, like you will get in matchings. Matchings you obviously you can have the answer, because you if you while preparing only definitions will cover, examples and the remaining the scientific names also will be covered. Okay, this correct incorrect statement mostly will lose. For that you need to do the hard work. So what you have to do, easy part daily you study, daily you have to study the easy part, complete. Okay, difficult part take five chapters. You are very having much difficult. Okay, in that you want some hold you want. Okay, daily take the one lesson or half lesson you take. Daily you have to revise thoroughly the difficult also. Along with that, you have to do MCQ also. MCQ you have to mark. MCQ, how many MCQs you do, that much grip you will get. Okay, I think all you are doing MCQs. Okay, so such a way if you do, definitely you can score the 360 out of 360 mark. And one more aspect is the numericals problems. Usually one or two questions will come numericals, creatively you can get. In some of the papers, numericals are not asked. Okay, so first mainly numericals you will get the genetics, you can get the numericals, molecular biology, sexual reproduction, flowering plants, cell division. So in this 4 chapters you can have the numerical part. Okay, mostly either one or two questions will be asked. So daily practice the numerical. The first, you should not leave the content. You should not leave the examples. You should not leave the scientific names. Okay, you should not leave the numericals, like we can say the problems. So if you do regularly in this way, definitely, okay, out of marks you can score in biology, and it will be useful for getting good rank also. Hope this video is useful for you. I think all you can practice in this way. Yes, thank you for watching.